Hello, this is PM32221 here with a gun, whatever you call it. Whatever the gun is called. It's probably of a war, like big gun, and then you can like take off this into a pistol gun. I'll show you later. And I'll do a test shot after I show you. So this is what it's called, and you can see there's a word there. Get it right. It says toy things. It has to have an orange tip because it's not a real gun. Now let's go into the scope. Here's the scope. The scope is really good because I would prefer the scope if you were sniper rifling at somebody. If you had a whole team, if you had like 2 people with one of these guns, you'd probably I would use the scope, but I would probably mod the scope. I'm gonna mod the scope about today. I'm gonna mod the scope today, and I do not know how I'm gonna mod this. I might mod it with the small part, or I might mod it with the big part. I would do it with the big part because I can aim a lot better. I can aim at something huge. This does not make it get a little bit farther range. You can't get farther range than this. You can't even get farther range. There's no like red dot or something. I'm gonna look. Now we're on to the flashlight. So here it is. Let me give you a quick look. There's the screw. First there's this piece of paper that was blocking it. And I also took it out, it blew up. The switch right here. You have to have an X screw. One like this, like X, like this. Shing, shing. Then there's this on, off. Turn it on. It lights up. Now let's go into the gun. So here's the gun. That's how it looks. That's how it's supposed to look. It's actually a pistol. You can make it in. This is actually like your, if you want to break in, just take off the barrel. You can like break into the house and like shoot. I would use this for breaking in. I would use the barrel attachment whenever you're running and you want to shoot. It'd be very nice shooting. This one, I would use it like this. It sounds kind of like this. If you want to put your finger in there, you can. I would put my finger down here, not like right here. I put it right here. So now I'm going to show you how it looks when it has everything on.
Oh my goodness.
What?
You dropped it. Oh, they're showing how many classes. They said who beat us today since they have no one to blame but themselves. They beat themselves.
Mm-hmm.
And this is probably a CQB something, CQB war gun or whatever it is. CQB war gun. So see what it looks like.
You beat it, Dana?
Here's what it looks like when it's all built. The ultimate gun of all times. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But I usually use it like probably like this when I'm probably on the ground. Let me show you. I'm gonna put that down there. I'm gonna put the camera down here. And you go like this. You can see it. I have to hold the camera. You can see, and then aim. That's it. See you guys on CQBBB1.